What's up? This is S Production Games, and we are in the final part of Let's Make a Game in Java. Yep, this is the final part, guys, and it's all coming to an end. First thing first, as you can see on the date, if you're looking down the corner of my video, Happy New Year's. Kind of late, this is second, but I want to wish you guys Happy New Year as we're starting off 2015. Hope everyone start off with a great start and do their best to maintain it throughout the years. So yeah, it's a blessing that we all alive, we living, and we able to see 2015. So let's do it in strides, right? All right, let's go back onto the game. Now, I'm not gonna play the game, as you guys should already know how the game is playing like. So first thing first, what I wanted to do real quick, I kind of forgot. Let's go to the title screen here, because when you know what, I'll go to the game. Look at title screen. Simple game, start game, exit game with no instructions. If you make this game and you want your friends to play it or whatever, you put it online for other people to play it, and when there's no instructions, people are just lost. So that's what we're gonna do. Simple. This is a real simple game, so it's not gonna take much. So let's go to the drawing methods here. Okay. Alright. Let's start right here. And we are going to do draw string and use the arrow keys, then press space or enter to select up. And I already kind of got the predefined spots. And let's do draw string again. And here you can put your name or whatever you want to call it. Me, I'm put S Pro. You know what? Let me put that. S Pro. Next Production Games. And we do 400 and we'll do 25. Alright, done deal. Right, let's run that real quick, see how that comes out. Oh man, now where I got S Production Games, that's a nice spot, right there. Oh, it looks good. But down here, oh, that needs to be lower. That's like all up in the words. No good. So we need to lower that. This is the X and this is the Y. So let's try 550 and let's play that and see where it goes now. Good, but I need to put it down a little more. Let's do 570 and let's try that again and see how that turns out. Alright, much better. So now we have instructions. Use the arrow keys and press space or enter to select. And we got the name. So that's it. Good. Alright. So the next step, what we're gonna do, since we are now complete with the game, we're gonna move on to the next phase. We're gonna export it. So now that we're all done with working the game, this next step that we're gonna do. Go over here, simple game on navigator, do a quick refresh, and then let's right click it again and let's go to export. Now we want a runnable jar file. So we click on Java here, the folder here, open that up, you see runnable jar file. Click on that, click next. Now launch configuration. Now what we need here is the class that have the main method. Okay? The main method. Let me say that more clearly. The main method. Alright. That's right here. Simple game right here. Alright. Now export destination. Now you don't want to, this is what you want to make sure you export it where you can find it. There's been times, I've been doing this and I'm like, whoa, where did I do it? And then I'm searching through files and folders and everything. You don't want to do that. So what we're gonna do go to the desktop, plain simple, and we're gonna call this. You can call this simple game. All right, and enter. So that's the destination, and that's what it's gonna be called. Okay, let's see. Library handling, extract required. Yep. Package. All right, that's it. Click finish. Warnings. Detail. Okay. Was there? Yeah. Sure, no flaws. Yeah, I don't know what that was about. But anyways, let's check it. Here we go. We got some simple game right here. This is the Rumble jar file. If we click on this in property, we see executable jar file. Now, this is fine, you know, because basically, if you have Java up to date and installed on your computer, well, don't gotta be really fully up to date, but if you have Java installed on your computer, you should be able to run this. So I'll click on it and boom, we're playing. Yeah, but I'm not satisfied. That's the first step, because I wanted to, you know, get to another level. So this is where we're gonna go into our next step. Okay, so the next step is, since this is just a Java runnable file, you don't want the game just to look like that, you know, the icon and everything. So you want it to look like a legit game, you know, legit. So as you see up here, this is the art. Now, as you can see, this is going to be the thumbnail, or you can say the icon for the game. This is what we're going to use. Now, keep in mind that this is already you can say, I keep saying translated, but that word works too, right? Translated. Yeah. So it's already in icon format, icon, I guess you can say. And if you want to do your own icon and stuff, draw it in Paint or whatever you use, and when you finish, go to converticode.com. This will help you translate it. Now you'll make sure you select the ICO. Yeah. So I'm not gonna show you any of that. You just go ahead. You can figure this thing out. But you want to definitely make sure you change it to ICO. ICO. Well, okay. Make sure first when you're drawing it, you save it as a PNG file, and then here they're gonna translate into ICO. Alright, I keep saying the word translated, but I think there's another word I'm supposed to be saying. But anyways, the next step, I will provide a link to download this if you don't want to go through all that. You know, just don't really matter. So the next step, just follow along here. Let's go to just Google this if you want to. Google, and this is Launch4j. Yeah, it's already got it set up here. Now go to this website here, download this. Wait, this is not the actual site to go. There you go. Yeah, here. So go here, download Launch4j. This is helpful. It's gonna take from Java file and turn into exe, executable file. Yeah. So once you get that download, it's already got it download here. So I'll open this thing right here. Give it a moment. All right. Now just follow step by step. Now we want it to be here, and the file name is gonna be simplegame.exe, and save. Now you gotta go find the jar file. There it is right here, simplegame.jar. Open save right there. Now, okay, I'm trying to remember what else I gotta do here. icon. Pixel game. I have everything on a desktop, so simple. So hopefully you guys don't make it too complicated. Some people save files, art files in it, documents and everything. So make sure you know where you got your stuff at and find it and put it in. And then we got that there. And then the next step, there's other things you can do here, but I'm not messing with none of that other stuff. Let's go to JRE. The minimum 1.40. Oh, that's the minimum. And then I think that's it. Okay. Okay. So next thing, you just go here and the screw thing here, build wrapper. And save. And I think that's it. Let's go here. I think that's the game. That simple game. Go to properties real quick. See, it's an exe, and double click on it, and it runs. There you go. You know we got the game is complete. It's executable, and booyah, booyah, booyah. For those of you who have not been following along the game, the whole series, but maybe you just want to play it, you know, I have a link to download the game so you can play it yourself. And maybe if you like how the game turns out and you want to see if you can make it yourself as well, you know, go back to part 1 and do it together. And all those that have been following me all the whole time, I appreciate you guys. You know what I'm saying? While I've been doing the series, I've seen a lot of followers, well, not followers, I've been getting more subscribers, and I'm, you know, happy. You know, appreciate you guys. Give you a big thank you and a big hug. And yeah, next, you know, this is not the end. This is the end of this series, but you know, we'll be starting the next series. Right now, the next series is gonna be more on Unity. We will come back to Java, but right now we're gonna be on Unity, working on 3D games section. So guys, thank you, and please stay tuned, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and look out for the next video.